Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sword and Shield here. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to use the Electro Dragons at Town Hall 11. The Electro Dragons are a pretty solid strategy that are probably one of the best strategies to use when you don't have one or more heroes. It's kind of looked on as a bit of a noob strategy, but everyone can agree that when you need to use an attack and you don't have your heroes, Electro Dragons is always a very safe way to go. It's a very strong strategy, and it works very well at our good old friend Town Hall 11. And as you can see, I have my king down, and later on in the attack we have a live raid going. I'll be able to show you guys how to use the Electro Dragons even without a hero. So without further ado, let's get into one of our attacks. So one of the first things that we need to look out for is a funnel. So I like to use my heroes, or whatever heroes I have, to funnel along with some baby dragons. Then I deploy my balloons, which go in first, and as we see here, they're going to bait some Seeking Air Mines. This is exactly what you want. You need the balloons to take on the Seeking Air Mines so the Electro Dragons don't. After that, just rage them up. Try and get that single target Inferno down. I'm going to wait until just before it does this really thick beam, and then I'll freeze it. Battle Blimp's going in here with a Dragon Rider and some balloons. Gonna try and get that into the center. Fortunately, my Warden's ability was a little bit bad during this attack, but that's alright. We're still gonna be able to get the 3-star. Gonna freeze up the air defense and the Expo. That sweeper's doing work. Probably would have been good to put a freeze on it a little while ago, but that's all good. Soon the Queen should be able to come around and take that out. And then the Electro Dragons are clearing up the top as well. We have that single target still, which is a bit of a problem, but the Expo is going to go down, and that just leaves a single target when we have a Rage and a Freeze, and we still got 4 Electro Dragons left. So this attack's going to go down really nice and quick. We're going to speed it up here to get it done. And this is looking good. We're going to freeze, and yeah, we're just going to move through this base nice and easy. It's not that difficult, and as we can see, the strategy does really well against a max Town Hall 11. For this next attack, we actually have all our heroes, so we'll be able to see just how we funnel when we have all our heroes up. So we're going to use the heroes again, along with baby dragons to funnel, and we're going to try and make sure our balloons are nice and up front. So here we're going to spawn the balloons a little bit later, because the Electro Dragons have a little more to work through. And they're going to, again, be bait for all the Seeking Mines. We're going to pop a double Rage here, just to make sure. Fortunately, the freeze goes down a little too late on that sweeper. Just missed it, and the chain just destroyed it a little too late. So we're going to rage up again, and then we want to make sure that we're freezing the big target and big value defenses here. So I'm going to pop a freeze down on 2 Expos, an air defense, and a single target. And this Electro Dragon up the top is going to clean up our Eagle Artillery for us, even though he's a little low on health. Last rage goes down. And again, really quick, very simple attack strategy, and it works very well. Our King's still got his ability. We're going to use it a little later on, but the last couple of Electro Dragons are moving in to clear up the rest of the base. Warden's still alive. As you can see, we really didn't even need our Barbarian King a whole lot for this, and he's going to help take out the last 2 collectors, and the Electro Dragons are going to finish up right there. Okay, so now we're going to do one live attack. As you can see, we have our King down. Here's the army composition I like to use. Baby dragons with balloons and 6 Electro Dragons. I find that the Battle Blimp works well to get my troops into where I want, but you can use the Stone Slammer as well. It also kind of depends what's available to you, but either will work really well. And then we're going to hop into a live attack here, so let's see what kind of base we can find. Alrighty, so we found a base here. It's not a fully maxed Town Hall 11, but it's still pretty well along. This base kind of has the majority of its major defenses on the top left side, which is going to be really easy to pick off that Eagle Artillery down at the bottom side with our Blimp. So we're going to take this attack from the top, but we're also going to make sure we use our Blimp to come in and get that Eagle Artillery, and we have our Dragon Rider in there, which will do a fine job of that. So we're going to spawn our Queen up at the top right, avoiding the Expos. That's very key. You don't want the Expos to lock on there, or you're going to lose her very fast. We're going to use our baby dragons, 1 there, 1 here, to take out our other surrounding buildings and funnel the Electro Dragons. We're going to get a rage down right away and move in over here with the Blimp And then we're going to start placing our freeze spell. It's going to freeze the sweeper right there. That Inferno Tower is going to go down. Hopefully that Queen goes down nice and quick as well. So there's our Eagle Artillery, also gone. I'm going to freeze the Warden there, who's doing a lot of damage to our balloons. And then Rage Spell by the other Inferno. We're looking, oh yeah, yeah, look at that. The Queen just took down that other air defense. This is moving along very, very nicely. And soon that other air defense is going to, or other air sweeper, sorry, is going to go down nice and quick. And we're going to be able to place our Rage on top and take down those last two air defenses. The King's going to stop us a little bit here, but I can still Rage up and it'll chain because it's close enough. And then we're going to lose both air defenses, which just shows how strong these things are. And yeah, this is going to be a 3-star for sure. There's no doubt about it. We've just got an Archer Tower left and about 4 Electro Dragons and a Warden, not to mention a freeze spell. Guess we can freeze this cannon here to make sure we don't lose this attack. It's a bit of a fail-safe option. And last thing we've got left is a gold storage here. And that's going to go down nice and quick. So, easy 3-star. Very, very simple attack. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was how to use the Electro Dragons at Town Hall 11. And it really is a really good strategy for getting the 3-star, getting lots of loot without your heroes or when you're missing a hero like I am. And it can also help for trophy pushing. And if you just need a very simple strategy and you're having a little bit of difficulty, this strategy is very easy to get a hold of. And I will see you guys in the next video.